So this morning we got the drill, the cold packer, and the rye over here, and got DJ going, got him filled up, hammering away, trying to get as much rye drilled as we can. See, we got a heck of an overcast. And I elected to get the rye seed in these big totes behind me, which is, I don't know, it's kind of handy, you don't put it all in at once, but on the same note, it's not handy because you have to have a really high lifting loader tractor to get it lifted up in the drill. Yeah, I don't know if that was a good idea, but anyway, it works. So, as you can see, we got a heck of an overcast. You have to wait till noon or better, probably 1 o'clock before we can finish the beans. And there's not much to finish, there's only about 5 or 6 acres over there. But it's also pretty heavy on the grass, so we're going to go ahead and wait on that and make sure we get it good and dry and don't have to plug it. But the other anteater sitting there has got the cultipacker on it, got it drug over here this morning, so as soon as he's done drilling we can get it all leveled off and smooth. And it really worked up pretty good with the disc. Got all the little cultivator ridges rubbed out and the grass is chewed up just a touch. So, should make pretty nice rye stand for us next year. Alright, looking good, looking good. Let's watch the weather here. First break we could get rain. The rye drilled and the beans out. And then the owner of the drill wants that thing back in the shed because he said it's like a gremlin. It gets wet. Oh my God. So we'll make sure we get it empty and get it put back in his shed by this evening. Number 3. Well, I'm headed out now for the very last little bit of 2020 crop. Last little bit of soybeans. And we can put this thing away for another year. Yeehaw! There it is. A little bit of foxtail there and some open spots. Some really bad foxtail up over here. Not very much left here, guys, just a tiny little bit. Well, here's the last little bit, and it's pretty much gone all to foxtail. And in fact, back here, it is all foxtail. There's no soybeans back there, so I'm going to leave that stuff alone. I've got about 100 bushel on from the last 5 acres or so, so it's doing about on course for what I thought it was doing, about 20 bushel. Well, that's going to be it. Let's get this thing up and get her on the wagon and get her over to Ben and call her a year. Heck yeah, have the 2020 organic corn and soybeans are done. There we go. Now see, I just don't feel like there's enough in there, if there is any, to be worth it, because that is nothing but foxtail. I can't see any little bitty plants down here under the head. Shut that off so we can see. I can't see anything down there. No, there's nothing there. And it doesn't get any better, so we'll just call that a wrap. Let's go get this on the wagon. Well, that's it. 2020 organic harvest is done. Fantastic. Now, I'm sure DJ is about out of rye, so let's go get him filled up again, and then we'll come back and put these beans in the bin. There it goes. Last load in the bin. Oh yeah. We got a good lot of bean in there. Crawl up there and see how far it is. Sounds like it's right above the door. Right there. Oh, there's quite a bit in here. Oh, just about right there is where she's sitting. Well, there it is. The drill's back in the shed. Combine's under the roof. Everything's put back in at the home farm. Well, except for the big auger. It's got to get pulled away yet, but the bin shut up. Harvest is done. The rye is all drilled. Fantastic. Well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. And if you like organic, if you think organic's pretty cool, or you're interested in organic, shoot me a comment on here. Let me know what you're thinking. There, now you can see me. Let me know what you're thinking. If you got some questions, shoot me a message. If not, go ahead and hit that share button. Subscribe so you can keep in touch with what's going on. And I will catch you guys later.